Hi, Chaithra.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good, Chaithra. So, this is Aruna from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback interview from your side. So, before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So, can you introduce about yourself, Chaithra?
Sure, ma'am. I'm Chaithra Bhikshavati Mat from Shumoga. I done my engineering at JNNCE Shumoga in a stream of civil engineering. This is about
So,
my
you're from which year passed out?
2022, ma'am.
Okay. So, how did you get to know about CMTI?
Uh, my friend Shabari recommended to this CMT.
So, which course you have obtained here?
I'm done interior designing course, ma'am. IDM.
So, what and all you learned in that?
Before coming here, I don't know about anything like interior and all. After coming here, I know about at least basics from scratch. They were teaching us uh, like what and all comes in interior. How about the processes and what and all the showrooms they are in. What and all the showrooms are in Bangalore and all. So much I learned.
So, you have a very good exposure in interiors, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what about your trainers? So how was their approach?
interior des- uh, interior designing trainers are like I like the most of Irshad sir classes and Abhinav sir classes and that SketchUp class also and AutoCAD. The trainers are so much helpful.
Okay. So whether they were clearing your doubts and all.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So what about Ashok sir? So how was his guidance?
He's helping us in every step. Then from our preparation of CV till we get placed. They are helping us so much and he is also helpful and down to earth person also.
So how was your interview process?
This is my first interview in interior field, then first company also in Prolance. Like there is an two rounds. One is face to face interview and another one is in second round there is a meeting with co-founder. That's it. In two rounds.
So how was the interview guidance and all?
Interview guidance, like they are teaching us from how to prepare a CV, then what and all questions, how to answer in a very confident way, and all. They are teached me very well.
I hope you're happy with your placements. So thank you so much, Chaitra. Thank you for your feedback. So all the best for your upcoming days and congratulations for your placements once again. Thank you,
Thank you.
Chaitra.
Thank you so much.